Emberambi y'Eishomero rya Ruhandagazi Primary School yagambirweho babiri batayisekamisha na wa ministry by'obwegese ahabwa abana bino burema aha mibiri yabo kandi ogwabire narambura Eishomero ry'abarema hamwe n'abateta.
Embera y'Eishomero tutire ntukigambaho Eishomero ritwiro mu mberambi tiryine bibina abana nibasharinge bibina compound terevoringire kandi obwe n'Eishomero ry'abarema.
Like the vulnerable kids, who's paying something that Vote fund, the parents put there to pay, it is also difficult. Lack of enough funds to make general face lift of the school, we don't have that much. Lack of teachers, staff quarters.
Abebembezi ba Bushenyi enshonga y'Eishomero bajigambireho bati.
The four categories of learners who are here. Those who had problem in hearing, others in physical, others in visual, and others in intellectual. But the teachers are too, who are skilled. So it looks as if this is a home where we keep these people to be here, but not to benefit.
And it is taking very few, and most of these people go to Masaka and other areas, especially in central region. Yes. So I think if we can also have create this one and make sure that after P7 they are able to even to access secondary school education as they go to university.
Omukurambura Eishomero bashangira beji barukumiganiro mbibina ahabwe byombeko kuba bice noko kamishana kuraganisa kwarukuza kureta ba engineer bapime rero basigaro kuronda sente ezo kongera habizimbe.
We shall come back with the engineer, with the education officer. For us, we are going to make a report and we shall give you, the honorable people will get a copy, and then you sit with your copy now on the floor and ask, you demand for what you need, you want. And I believe the money can be found.
Mukuru w'Eishomero yorekere bimwe ahabira kubateganisa omukushomesa kwabo ebirimo kwijorana kwa za toileti z'Eishomero obutagira mizi bwanyuma ya Nayikondo eyabire bahirwe district okufa gasha kwa Ben Muhozi.